Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're fixing this 2016 Scania. As you can see, had a hell of a smack down the side and the front, because all the front there, that's all pushed in. Even that bit there looks like condenser is injured. What we're going to do now is we're going to strip it all. I think we've got the bits pretty much ordered and sorted, but you can see, yeah, it's been damaged down the side there as well. That exhaust shield, hopefully that's not damaged, because if that is, that's not so good. Yeah, scraped down the mudguard, even the dent in that wheel, quite bad, and there's a back mudguard there, scraped. So it looks like it hit something and it bounced off and just went down the side somewhere. Luckily that door it's not damaged, and the side panel, a part of this corner deflector here, which is not a problem. So we get it stripped and we go from there. So let's do it. Right guys, all stripped pretty much. We're gonna need everything for that bottom corner here. I already drilled all the bolts out because there was just a shield off. We're gonna need to replace all this filter box in here, and definitely that bracket is all bent. Normally when you had an accident here and that side step goes back, bends this aluminium bracket. I'm gonna get a bit, I've took the cover off, looks alright, everything under there, that exhaust. And for now I'm just gonna dress that up, make that corner pod fitted, and just get that lock in the frame jiggle about, and we have to wait for the new bits, get them painted and put it back together. So let's crack on with it. Alright guys, all done, all finished. Chris already been gassed it all up. Yes, all this put back together. Just going to check the lights and put a number plate on. Swap all the side. To be honest, I hate the mudguards because the mess you made and some of the bolts snapping. And yes, the bushes is coming to put a new wheel in the tire later. All the mudguards are done. Everything is finished. I wiped it all off a bit to make it look a little bit cleaner. And yeah, it's pretty much done. And I'll show you something not so good outside. Oh, green one's going. That's the shame. But never mind. We'll fix it next time. Or someone will. It's going on the flat better. Away, hopefully. It's a better home, isn't it? That's a bit of a mess in there. Right. See you later. And that's what I'm going to do next, guys. This baby here. Just look at it. Smashed to the pieces. That door is well back. There's a little dent on the top of the roof. That door don't fit, but it does open. And all this corner is smashed up, and I think that cab is pushed back a bit. Not sure how hard it's been hit there. I think I'm going to strip it all now, but I'm just not looking forward to all this, all them pipes and everything. Power steering, everything is off. Even that ram is busted and everything there. That underrun bar. I think the cab is a little bit back, to be honest, but we're going to investigate it when we're going to strip. I think the cab have to come off anyway, because no doubt we're going to change this cast bracket, because if that's bent there, that alley bracket, that's normally bent with it. It depends how bad it is. So we're going to end up changing this cast bracket. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll probably see you on this one.